What has deceived you against your own maker, your Lord, the one who shaped you, the one who gave you your identity? I look at everyone and I think to myself, everyone is unique. We have an iris from Adam alayhi salam to the end. It will never be repeated. I come from Africa just like you are. You have safari in this country and so do we. Do you see the zebras? Do you see the giraffe? Do you see the leopards? Did you know that there are no two animals with exactly the same stripes, exactly the same spots, exactly the same hair and the way it actually grows? In fact, you and I, if I were to shave myself like I did in Umrah a few days ago, and you look at exactly how my hair grows on my head, and you made a print of the way it grows, no two people have exactly the same. That's Allah. And you know what that proves? It proves that you are going to be held accountable in the court of Allah for everything, because if there was no accountability, there would never have been uniqueness. There would never be uniqueness. DNA, what is it? Unique. Why? Qiyamah. You're going to stand in front of Allah, that's why.